Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you a demonstration of basically what you can do if you get the Airbag light showing on your Porsche 991. This is a 2012 991 Carrera S, and you can see on the dashboard here we've got the Airbag Warning Light showing here. If you get this warning light, you're going to need a diagnostic tool. You either need to take it to a garage or workshop, or you're going to need a diagnostic scan tool in order to diagnose and reset that fault, okay? This is the tool I'd recommend, POR version 3.0 made by iCarsoft. I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones on the market. They can damage your vehicle, so it's not worth going down that route. But if you want to get the genuine tool, then I'll pop the link in the description below, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to diagnose this. We've got this tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to click on to diagnostics. We're going to click on to Porsche. I've accidentally clicked on the history. I meant to click Porsche, yeah. That makes more sense. And it's just basically going through the motions of selecting our vehicle. It might give us the option to select the vehicle, automatically identify the vehicle. We'll give that a try. So it can read the VIN number, press OK, and it's found the vehicle. It's coming up as a 2013. It's a 12 plate, but it is actually a 13 model. So we'll click OK to that, go yes, F1, and then we can choose, we can ask the tool to either run a scan of the full vehicle, or we can select the control unit which we want to diagnose. So we know we want to diagnose the airbag system, okay? So we're going to go control unit, click OK, because the ignition is on, in fact the engine is running, and then we're going to go down to the airbag system, so it's this one here, and we're going to click on to read fault code. So this is what we've been getting, 0404, and that's one of two, so there are two faults. So the first fault is passive sporadic side airbag driver's side resistance too high, which indicates there could be a connection issue. And then belt buckle switch from front driver's side open circuit, so again a connection issue. And we have located the problem. It was a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. However, we appreciate that that might not be the case in your specific circumstances. So it could be something to do with like the airbag sensor itself. The airbag itself could be a loose connection. It could be the airbags in the door cards. There are door card airbags, or could be sensors in the seat somewhere. But ultimately, this tool will tell you where they are at. And once you've kind of fixed those issues, or put the new sensor in, or it might need a new bit of wiring, something like that, then you should be good to use this tool to reset it, and then reset the warning light as well. So we're going to go to clear fault memory. I'm going to just click OK to all of this. It says erase operation done. The airbag light is still on. Sometimes you need to come out of the system. Or sometimes it might take like 10-15 seconds for the airbag light to turn off. There we go, the airbag light has now gone off. We can go back into the system and just double check everything has been done correctly by reading the fault codes. It's now telling us no fault code found, okay, which is a good sign. The airbag light has come back on because we've interrogated that system, okay? But if we come back out of it, it should go off again. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. You might sometimes also need to do like an engine reset, just turn the engine on and off and on, and it'll turn off that way. So that's the iCarsoft POR version 3.0, and as I say, I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones, they can damage your vehicle. It's just not worth going down that route. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.